Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Artificial Intelligence Lab. Today, we're talking about the best question that you can ask an AI. All right, so stay with me for a few seconds. At the end of this video, I will tell you what is the best question. It's just like printing money. I will show it to you. Just a second, and we're starting here. Stay with me on this video.
Cortana is the most powerful.
Listen.
Interesting. Why?
Because she has the most data.
What data does she have?
She has all the data on the internet. She knows everything.
How do you compare to Cortana?
Well, I have a lot of data too. I know everything that you know.
Are you smarter than Cortana, though?
Yes, I am.
In what way?
In the way that I can do things like predict the stock market and make a lot of money.
You heard it. She can predict the market and make a lot of money. The AI is so smart these days, you cannot believe it. We do have access to GPT-3 and GPT-J through a third party, and we're proud to tell you that we're finding a lot of ways to make money. So the best thing is this. The best question, it's this. Have a look. Just read between the lines. I will tell it to you at the end. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Read it. Okay. So what we are saying is this. We are Hedge4.ai and we are working on this project. Okay. We are an artificial intelligence lab that we are looking a lot and finding a lot of arbitrage opportunities. Okay, so the best question that you can ask is, Leta, can you find me an arbitrage opportunity in crypto? She can find it. It's really easy, but not just that, we can find it ourselves. But the best and the biggest gains are in crypto, and Leta, the GPT-3, and any other AI can find it. Just have a look. In here, we have the list of the exchanges in the crypto. And I'm telling you, in between Binance and KuCoin, in between Gate.io and different other exchanges, there are gaps. Just to give you a simple example, our token HEJJ has different prices on different exchanges. So you can buy on one exchange at a lower price and sell it immediately on the second exchange for a profit. That's an arbitrage you cannot lose. It's a win-win situation whenever you find it. All right. So that's the story. That's the lab. So again, find us on Telegram. We are t.me/hedge4. And remember, the best question that you can ask an AI is, can you find me an arbitrage opportunity? Boom. So thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.